This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the family manager role and creating a child account. This gives you control over content and time. Sign in to PSN on the Ps5 or Vire account. Sony Entertainment Network, then add a family member with the child's birth date so age rules apply. Once done, go to Settings, Family and Parental Controls on the console, choose the child account, and enable console restrictions. Make sure to create a 4-digit passcode now, so settings can't be changed without your approval. Next, configure what the child can access and when. In Family Management, choose Content Restrictions to set age ratings for games, apps, and media. Then set play time limits with daily hours or specific schedules. This enforces automatic sign-out. Also restrict communication with other players and disable voice/chat if needed, and turn off purchasing or require approval for payments. If you want safer browsing, enable web filters or block browser access. These controls work together to limit exposure and spending on the console. Finish by applying the settings, and if asked, activating the Ps5 as the primary console so restrictions apply offline. Test the setup by signing in as the child and attempting a blocked action to confirm enforcement. Make sure the Family Manager PIN is set and kept private. If something goes wrong, settings not applying or playtime not enforcing, update the system software, confirm the child account is signed in and online, then resync Family Management. If necessary, sign out and back in to force policy refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.